Hello to everyone. Today I would like to show you this new headset, Jabra Evo 20. As you can see right here. So I ordered this Jabra headset from the Amazon. You can check the text below. You can to buy this Jabra for very nice price. Let's check what is inside. So as you know, this time, Corona time, COVID-19 time, we all need the good headphones because almost people working from the home. And I can show you what include package. So here we have any paper, what is next here is warning and declarations, and we can see here in all languages these declarations with warning. And here we have headphones, very nice quality. It's really very nice. It's possible to open and close, if anyone has a big head. And now we can turn off this. It's very nice also. And here we have the cable. As you can see, we have here USB. So I can open this. I think that it's a really very comfort headset for all the using. And this is really simply USB and pulse and play, as you can see here. So we can turn off voice, we can calling from here, and we can make it more noise, and so it's very nice. You can setting all the Jabra from here. So I am going to try this Jabra on the laptop. So I just take this and I give this inside here. Now I can check the I open, close, and going. So it's really very nice. So thank you for the watching, and don't forget to subscribe for the next video. Thank you very much.